cruising crew, and welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, my name is Holly, behind the camera is Andrew, and today we're going to be giving you a full ship tour of Royal Caribbean's Serenade of the Seas.
Perhaps unsurprisingly, the little water park section of the ship is closed right now. It is pretty chilly out. As you can see, I'm wearing my jacket. But the heated pool and the solarium pool are still open, along with some of the hot tubs.
They have a lot of fun outside activities. It's lucky that it warmed up a little today because this morning it was freezing and I definitely would not have wanted to be out here.
One of the perks of being in the Diamond Club is that you get access to the Diamond Lounge. This Vortex is the other half of the top section on 13. It's more like the other top 2/3 section.
Usually on a cruise, the pool is the place to be and it's really hard to get a chair. Today's weather is only about 60 degrees in Alaska, so it's not quite as busy, but I am surprised at how many people are in the pool. This ship has a pretty small outside pool with 2 hot tubs and then a full solarium, which is going to be very important on this chilly trip through Alaska. So let's go check out the inside of the solarium.
So it's definitely keeping out the wind. I don't know that it's super warm in here, but it's a lot better than outside. Gotta love the theming, it's super cool. Kind of like a Thai style. on the ship tour is my personal favorite, the dining. So this is the Windjammer. It's gonna be the buffet on board, so you can get your breakfast, your lunch, your dinner. Let's go take a look. Ducks. Duck. What duck are you staying on? Decks 10 through 7 are mostly just staterooms, although on deck 7 there is a business center.
Here's the business center. Party in the front, business in the back. Deck 6 is the place to see and be seen. There's a ton of stuff going on here, but most importantly is the Schooner Bar. Schooner Bar? Schooner Bar. It's an iconic Royal Caribbean bar on most of their cruise ships. It's very nautical themed, which makes sense since we're on a boat. But it's really like New England, old school nautical. On this one, they even have a boat. Is just about to start in the Safari Club, so we're going to do a quick overview before they get started.
Alright, so just learned that the Casino Royale on board does have a smoking section, so be careful. But so we're on the non-smoking side and they are divided. So I stand corrected, they are not divided. The smoking side is on the right, non-smoking is on the left, and there's no divider in the middle.
5 is the promenade deck. However, it doesn't go all the way around the ship. So if you want a nice like jogging path or walking path, you're better off on the top deck. However, there is a lot of outdoor space out here. They have shuffleboard, lounge chairs, and pretty spectacular views. But the rest of the 5th floor has conference centers, the photo gallery, tons of shopping, and cafe latitudes. And then the rest of the floor is the dining room and some staff quarters.
Just outside of the theater is the art and photography room, where you can buy your photos from the trip.
So we're right here, and this is a bunch of staterooms, but on the other side is kind of the center and the dining room.
Cool, let's go check it out. So this is the main atrium, and right now they're doing a cha-cha class.
2, 3, cha-cha-cha.
Okay, so this is the main dining room. We're on deck 4, but there is actually 2 stories of dining room, so it's deck 4 and deck 5. Let's go check out the main dining room. There are a lot of great options in the dining room. You can sit near the window or in the middle of the room. Every seat has a different view, and it is truly wonderful.
And last but not least, that brings us to our floor. We're staying on deck 3 in our stateroom, which if you haven't seen the room tour, check that out. But there's not much here except staterooms. Below us is deck 2, which has the medical facility and the forward and centrum boarding areas. Thank you guys so much for watching this ship tour. We hope you enjoyed it.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe below, hit the like button, or leave us a comment and let us know your favorite part of the tour.